to the best luggage should offer durability, functionality, and style. We researched the highest rated suitcases out there and tasked Forbes Vetted's team of seasoned pros maybe travel with 20 of 20 of the top contenders over 9 months. So in this video, I'm going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 of the best luggage in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. And so whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1, Travelpro Max Lite 521 Crayon Expandable Spinner. Travelpro needs no introduction to anyone who has researched luggage or even looked around a busy airport lounge while waiting for their flight. The brand is almost everywhere, and for a good reason. They make good quality, reliable suitcases and bags. If a bit unexciting, you can think of them as the Toyotas of the luggage world. Sir, specialization even spills over their Max Lite 5 laptop backpack, injecting key characteristics such as a rigid structure cut boxy shape, which are otherwise not that common to travel backpacks like that Travelpro Max Lite 5 2020 on-expandable spinner, taking the spinner for a spin. In this review, though, I'll be taking a look at the Max Lite 521 carry-on expandable spinner, a proper piece of luggage showcasing the brand's competency in designing such bags. Number 2, Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. And Samsonite is one of the more recognizable luggage brands out there. Hang out at any airport in the world and you'll eventually spot someone traveling with one of their bags. That prevalence brings reasonable expectations for build quality, design, and ergonomics. In other words, we expect a hassle-free experience traveling with this Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner carry-on compliance may be hit or miss. Far from the stylistic choices Samsonite made on the outside, this rolling carry-on luggage has a relatively simple design. There are minimal built-in pockets. Instead, it's up to the users to supplement with organizers like tech pouches and packing cubes. The amount of space is generous, though almost to a fault, since despite the name, carry-on compliance is hit or miss. More on this as we dive into the review. Number 3, Travelpro R Platinum R Elite 21 Carry-On Spinner. Travelpro's Platinum Elite Carry-On Spinner won high marks from our testers across the board. It's made from sturdy and weather-resistant material, offers generous capacity and compact design, and has smooth rolling wheels that never snag and are easy to maneuver. The soft side suitcase is also smartly outfitted with compression straps, a USB port, accessory pockets, and a water-resistant toiletry bag. Its contoured grip rubber handle was one of the most comfortable handles we tested, and it comes with 4 adjustable heights for travelers of all sizes. If you prefer extra durability, this suitcase also comes in a hard side version. Those embarking on long-haul trips can also find it in a medium or large check size. The Travel Platinum Elite Carry-On Spinner offers a durable exterior, sturdy zippers, and the Astrid Terran for Forbes Vetted. What our testers say, Forbes Vetted editorial director Brenda Iyer tested this bag and praised its functionality. Number 4, Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. So you travel out the polypropellant shells and as impact resistant as polycarbonate. Samsonite's Freeform Carry-On is a solid choice for international trips thanks to its size, the correct size for most overhead bins across a number of international airlines, great storage capacity, and reasonable price. The brand has been producing high-quality suitcases since 1910, and its spinner is compact but expandable by 1 inch when you need more packing room. While this option might not have the sleek, trendy look of a Monos or Away suitcase, its functionality more than makes up for the Samsonite Freeform Carry-On is well-priced, lightweight, and easy to roll, making it great. While the suitcase's polypropellant shell allows it to be lightweight and easy to lift, it's not as impact-resistant as polycarbonate or aluminum. If you need to check a bag on your trip, it also comes in medium and large sizes. And number 5, Briggs Riley Essential 22 Carry-On Expandable Spinner. If you're on a budget, this is one of the pricier suitcases out there. Another Forbes Battles top luggage selection, Briggs Riley is known for its durability, reliability, and accommodating lifetime warranty. But for those who prefer the flexibility of soft samming, Gadge, the Baseline Essential Carry-On, has a lot to offer. It's also made of a ballistic nylon fabric that resists wear and tear and comes available in 4 rich shades that maintain their style over time. A black suitcase standing upright on a hardwood floor. Briggs Riley's Baseline Essential Carry-On offers compressive technology, a built-in garment. This pick is definitely an investment, but its compressive technology, built-in garment folder, and shock-absorbing wheels warrant the luxury price tag. Plus, Briggs Riley's Light Warranty is one of the best on the market, covering repairs for any sort of damage with free of charge for as long as you own the bag.